Welcome to Computer Bits Daily. Here we will see which condition in if-else part give us Computer Bits Daily as output. Before we look at solution, we will look at few concepts that will help us to create our solution.
In this program we will see what printf function will return. Here variable p of integer type is taken. Whatever will return by this printf function will stored in this variable p. Using this printf function we will print value of p. So let's run this program. We get the output. This output computer bits is printed by this printf function, and this 12 is printed by this printf function. Printf function return number of character printed successfully, and that value is stored in variable p.
If-else is conditional branching statement. In this program you can see if and else statement is given. This is expression part or condition part. If this expression or condition is true, then this if part is get executed. If this expression is written false, then else part will get executed. So I am going to add some condition over here. Let's write 9 greater than 10. Obviously this condition is false. Let me run this program to check what will be the output, and output is else part. That means this condition is false. That's why else part is get executed. Same way I am taking some variable integer p is equal to 10, and I am putting some condition over here like p greater than 10. Now I am running this program to check output. Is some mistake. Okay, I forgot to end this statement. Okay, now I'm running the program, and else part is the output, means this else part it gets executed. This condition is false. Now I'm putting is equal to in this expression. Let's run it again. Now if part is executed, that means this condition is true. That's why this if part is get executed. Now let me show you with another value, and I am entering 0 this expression part and running the code, and you can see else part is get executed. That means 0 represent false in C language, and we put some non-zero value like 154. And you can see if part is get executed. That means any non-zero value represent true in C language. Let me enter some negative value 555. You can see if part is executed. That means except 0 all non-zero value is represent true, and 0 is represent false in C language. Let's create solution for the given problem.
This is the time to test yourself.
Question number 1. In C programming, true condition is represented by option number 1, 0, option number 2, non-zero. Take your time and select the right answer. And the answer is non-zero. Did you find this helpful? Then please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell for new awesome videos. Thank you for learning with Computer Bits Daily. Keep learning, keep sharing, stay safe.